Hello, hi everyone. Doing मैं Pumduk Birige. Welcome back to the channel. And let's do unboxing. Asi unboxing tau rasi. Let's do unboxing of my drone. Nekta unboxing tau khar siyo ngasi ko. Let's do it. All right, let's start the unboxing. It's going to be a surprise. Let's see what's inside. Dang dang. And it's DJI Mini 2 drone fly mode combo. Yuppie. Let's keep it here. So it looks like from the bottom it looks like this. On the front it looks like this. So let's open it. So let's cut the wrap. Check out how make the shagar. Nice. And if we open the top, let's open the top, and there's a bag inside which has a DJI tag. All right, let's open this. So this is how it looks. Nice. It says DJI in the front. You can see DJI everywhere. It looks really good. The design looks really good from the back. You can hold it from here also. I can carry it from here with the shoulder, but without any weight. First thing I see drone here, but let's zip it up and let's see what's inside. I can see these are propellers. Nice. 3 propellers. Looks like a joystick handle. It's a screwdriver. So let's take out the main part, the drone. This is the drone. Nice. It looks good, huh? So I think okay, this one is, oh nice. If you open this, the propeller comes out. Okay, I'll keep it like this for a while. Let's take out what else is inside. Oh nice, this is the remote control. You can call it the joystick, the controller. Let's just take out this wrap. This looks nice, compact. Looks good. Let's keep this also here. Okay, the next is the battery, I guess so. The bag, man. I really like the bag. So this looks like let's check this out also. Open it. I'm so excited, so I'm not able to speak anything. That is, I'm getting speechless. This looks like a user manual. Let's see. Yeah, I will read it later. I'll keep it here. Then this looks like the battery. It says accessories. Okay. This is a charger. This is a USB C USB. This looks like again for the charger. Let's see what else. I don't know. I really don't know exactly. Karino khangdre ba sije ko. So let's open this, and this looks like the case for the battery. Let's just check it. Okay, so this has 2 batteries. There's slot for 1 more battery. I think the battery is inside the drone, I guess. Inside the drone, so let's keep it here. So it has 3 batteries, so it's good, all good. So first let's open the drone. Right, let's open the drone. So I've already taken out this. I think this looks like a propeller guard, so propeller can be taken out like that. This is gimbal in the front, so let's take out the Okay, it looks like a gimbal guard. I think this can be taken out. Be careful, be careful. Oi. Oh, nice. So this is the camera. 4K. It says 4K. Can you see, guys? So 4K ubre ho 4K ne kap pe. Let's try to open it. And there's a strap here also. Nice. So it's like that. And let's see the battery. It's, I think battery slot is here. I think we have to take this out also. This is the battery. Let me put it inside. And let me try and switch it on. See the Nico button se go battery kya meow se. We'll see whether. So I think it has 0 battery right now because it's not switching it on. So let me charge this for a while and I'll try to, you know, hang kholaga yeng se bo kamai tau se ko. So hana si te lok thoge aduga pai tro si tak na mag lok thok pa de bo si kon jam birasi battery guys say. Okay, why is this so confusing? Okay, it's not confusing. I'm gonna keep it like that. So let me charge this for a while. Let's open this. I think if you want to open it, this is the way in the front. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. And let's go at the bottom. Oh, nice. It looks good. So we're gonna keep it like that. Lovely. Looks so good. Perfecto, ma'am. If you are liking my channel, if you're liking my unboxing so far, please hit a like button, and of course if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. Okay, let's go. After this is there, and next for a while we'll wait for the battery. Let's show you the joystick. This is a joystick or a controller. So controller, when you see it, there is a joystick. This is a joystick basically. So we're gonna screw it like that. I'm gonna take it like that and screw like that. But in the earlier there used to be antenna here, but in this there is no antenna. So this looks more compact, and you can just take it out, and while carrying this more compact. So I think, okay, this is how we're gonna work. We can fly like that, so we have to be very careful. And this looks like this looks like a mobile holder. Oi, accidentally I switched it on. So there is some mode here: cine mode, normal mode, soft mode. So even this needs to be charged here. This has its own battery, I guess, so we'll keep it here for a while. And so this is mobile holder, I think. So let's put this here, and it holds properly. Mobile is gonna work like a, this one is for Apple, so I don't have an iPhone, so I will choose the C one. Yeah, no, not this one. Well, this one, which has a C, because mine is C. So C port. So let's put this. Now I think it's connected to my phone. I only think I have to switch it on. I think this also needs to be charged. This charge option give ko aduga iPad nairasi. Then koina first shot drone already ready le re si surrounding si ta pai ra ge yadi ya baji crash ta ning de na pai se si keno hapsele ko phone hapsele ga si tham gre. So si de hawra se ko I'm qualified to fly in this area. Okay, I agree to resume. Confirm. Basically keno ni ta my agreement kha le ba unlock taw da ya de ba unlock taw re hojik mai kona ma kha tha re jaga se pai ba ya de ya ba kha le ko I agree. Confirm. Formalities kha ya we hau gi next. Camera view check.
Maximum flight distance reached.
Hey, yaine Kutland tawba.
Ini kan itu.
Yare, ngasigi magi tutorial lo chalase. Amu halase. Sima lokre ko hatam biramase. So si joystick ki stick se kana de dena. Hai budi sida hatam rasnu ngai ro. Mai lai biraga mothak kre. Kamang de phajang re na. Aduga anto la si wadi compact ore na. Let's see. Ready to move. Let's see.